Looks like we're taking the GT4 today. What is happening with you guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing great. I believe some services are due, so I'm gonna be dropping it off at the dealer to get whatever needs to be done. It's all covered under the warranty package, so ain't coming out of my pocket, you dig? I just broke a dog's neck. Damn sound, brother. And we're here. Oh! Not the only one with exhaust. Damn, that shit sounds sick. Alright guys, you won't believe what car they gave me. Damn, Macon, whatever the hell this shit is. Can't go wrong with a free loaner though. Brother said unlimited miles. The car was due for its second maintenance trip. So it's gonna be getting like cabin filter, oil change, maybe brake fluid. And it is all covered thanks to the previous owner for putting a maintenance package on it, cause I don't gotta spend $1. We are back. I'm just gonna be on standby till I get the 4RS back. But yeah guys, I'll keep you updated and we'll be back.
The following day.
Passenger princess today. Where could we possibly be going? That's only 12 minutes away. Stick around to find out. We made it here at the Adro headquarters. Got another meet happening. Clearly gonna see some clean BMWs as usual. Big body on the MV Forged. Love this G80. See him all the time around too. This shit is so sick. Definitely a fresh kick setup if I had a G80. The Advans, oof. Squared setup. Of course, we brought out the Blue Beetle. Hey, it looks a lot cleaner with the center caps. Ain't gonna hold you. Chaka, as the Mexican in me would say. Of course, there's gonna be some more cars coming, but we here on time. This is insane. Yeah, that's busting right there. I was gonna bring the S15, not gonna lie to you guys, but I was like, you know, we got the Adro lib diffuser on the X3M, so only makes sense. I'll take out the S15 tomorrow. You guys know me, I love my Dravit. This shit is hard. Woo, Dravit, the champagne faces. That goes incredibly hard. You paint match the hood very good too. I always be paying attention to shit like that. Shit is clean. Adro bumper. Come on, G, you can fix this gap, dog. Just pull the bumper up a little bit. It's easy. It's clean. Damn, that shit is bright. All right, guys, you know my fat ass. We got some little Asada, freshly squeezed lemonade. Well, that shit was bomb. It's like a Capri Sun. All right. Nice juice. Wide body kits are sick. I just don't have enough in me to do it. I just can't cut up a car. I feel like I would have to just buy one that's done. This thing looks crazy though. I think the new bumper looks good on the wide body. Non-wide body, not so much, but she looks sick. Lip is crazy. I need to play some Fortnite on this. Very nice F80. Kind of reminds me of mine a little bit. I think this is the Atlantis Blue. Sheesh, the Regas. Alright. Hard. Hey, this looks dope. I like the aesthetic. It's pretty sick. This color is hidden. I want to say it's quartz, but nah, it can't be. Is it? I don't know. I need to see it in the sun. It looks like quartz. That thing's busting. Alright. The Meister is hidden. Damn. Look at the homie threw some ambient lighting in here. It looks sick. Came out really good. This looks sick. Chunky. It's the proper way to have an E9X. The BRG. Yo, these BBSs are hella expensive. I think these shits are like 10 bands. I remember I spotted this guy on the freeway once. It's hella clean. Everybody has these steering wheels. I'm like the only one that don't got it. Still think these are like the sickest tail lights on a modern car. Yeah. But check this out. I believe this is a new Adro bumper for the Supra. Pretty sure. Adro hood. This color combo is pretty sick though. The Meisters. Pretty cool. The front end looks like massive with this hood and the bumper. I don't know why. Shit looks huge. GTS, huh? That's how you feeling? Nice little M340 on the chromies. Okay. Clean little info. G87, color matched arrow. I see what you did there, champ. It's pretty cool. What's good, man? Well, I don't think you guys heard that, but it was definitely a GT4 RS. Here comes the Techniga. Sounds like it makes a noise. Alright. Okay. The color is hidden. Oh, there's way more cars over here. I didn't even see them. I don't know if I would buy it, but it's a nice color. CS boys. Okay, little Adro bumper. Nice. Clean M4. Clean F80. Oh, he driving. My boy got the gloves on. Hey, you good, man? You good? Sick. Little voodoo. Alright, little 335. Damn. Ain't gonna lie, this Melbourne red is hidden. This shit looks like brand new. It's just like my E90. Okay. I see you. 46. Damn, Louis, where you at? E92. All right. F80, mineral gray. LMs. I just noticed they're all white. Stormtroopers. RS6 on the LMRs. I think you guys seen that before. Hard. Oh, G80 from the LMs. Hey, X4M. Wasan, fool. Okay. Little CS. I like how they just got the supers over here. These are sick. Actually, looks really good. It's hard too. All right, guys. Dope little meet, but we is up out of here. Not him launching it. What's up? We are hopping back into this video. Crazy collection. Finally take this thing back. Get the GT4. It's cool though, it's cool. Would I buy it? Maybe if I needed like a little incognito daily. I think the GT would be really sick though. I want to drive one of those. Twin turbo V8. It's basically like the Urus version for Porsche. I think those are pretty sick. Imagine that it's pulled in. It's a nice little setup. Oh, there she is. My Wakanda mommy. Oh, we got a little wash too. They look good. See, now if I had a 991 GT4 RS, if I would have came in here, that amount probably would have been like 4,000 something. This is nice. It's a very OG spec. What you guys think? How much is this? God damn. That's a lot of chalupa. I like the front end of these. I think the front end of these look pretty cool. Damn. That red is redding. I'll be like, can y'all do 200 without the stickers? Their SUV inventory is crazy. Like, they have so many. God damn. I feel like every Asian in Irvine has one of these. If they don't have one of these, it's a Tesla. I think these look cool though. I don't know. It's like, it looks weird, but at the same time, it looks cool. I don't know. I think the front end's pretty sick. Like, if you lowered it a bit on some sick ass wheels, I think this shit would look dope. But it's an EV. Womp, womp, womp. How much is this thing? Probably 100 grand. 108,000. These actually, like, I think this is probably the only like EV that I would ever buy. Yeah, interior is pretty sick. Whew, 160. All right, man. It's time to take my ass up out of here. The Black Beauty is leaving the building. Man, this thing is clean. It looks so good. Oh, I don't need that. At least it was a hand wash. Damn, I need gas. Fuck! I just put gas in the damn loaner. What the mud? Alright guys, let's throw some gas in this car before it gets mad at me. Ooh, damn, what does that smell? It smells like mean shit.